Hello, I'm Marissa Kasamian, and I'm excited to introduce you to AI Teammates, collaborative AI agents that deliver outcomes for teams. With Asana, AI Teammates are designed to know your business, keep you in the loop, and operate under your control. And with the AI Teammates Gallery, you can get started with a pre-built AI teammate that's ready to collaborate. Whether you're coordinating a marketing campaign, managing IT tickets, or driving your annual planning process, you can create an AI teammate to support any role in your business. Let's take a look at how an entire marketing team collaborates with a campaign strategist AI teammate that helps keep campaigns on track from start to finish. Here, we can see the work that the AI teammate has been assigned, the resources that it has access to, and the knowledge that helps AI know your business. When you're ready to kick off a new campaign, simply assign a task to the campaign strategist to take a first pass at drafting a brief. Briefs are the roadmap for team collaboration, and now AI can create them instantly, eliminating hours of manual work. And since AI can be given the full context of what your team is trying to achieve, it's going to pull that brief together based on best practices. AI teammates also have checkpoints so your teams are always in the loop. We can see its thinking and the steps it's going to take to build out the brief. From conducting competitive research to pulling in target audience insights to proposing some initial campaign ideas. And if something feels off, you can step in to course correct it at any point. From here, you can collaborate with it just like a true teammate. Let's say your business goals have changed and you want to make sure the campaign plan factors this in. Simply tag the campaign strategist and it'll adjust the brief accordingly. Once the campaign is in motion, the campaign strategist can help report on progress. It will summarize the status, flag any risks, and propose next steps to keep things on track. It looks like we're running a bit behind schedule. After flagging this to the campaign strategist, it was able to suggest a new timeline. After reviewing the timeline, all looks well, so I'm going to approve this recommendation. Let's fast forward a few weeks. The campaign has wrapped, but the campaign strategist is still at work. It analyzes the ROI from this effort by reviewing performance to inform future recommendations, helping the team improve processes, like streamlining stakeholder approvals. It can then commit this to memory for future campaigns as it continuously adapts to how your teams work and operates under your control. AI Teammates is built with trusted access and governance at its core. You control what data AI Teammates have access to and who can access them, so they work the way you want without ever sacrificing trust. That's a quick look at how AI Teammates can deliver outcomes for teams with Asana, the platform for human and AI collaboration. If you'd like to learn more, please sign up for the beta at asana.com/AI-teammates. Thank you.